Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful Oxford, Pennsylvania. Working on the front of a home here. They had some old wood siding on the outside that was desperately in need of paint and some other maintenance, and the customer was concerned from some other work they had done on the house that there may not be enough insulation in there, that there may be some other damage going on. And so what they asked us to do is they wanted to put vinyl siding up in its place, and before we did that they really would like us to take down all of the old wood siding that was on the face up here and just take a look behind there and see what's going on and make sure there's no damage, there's no water getting in, there's no other thing. So our team's been here this week working on this project. We took everything down all the way around the windows and of course found exactly what they expected us to. There was no insulation back there at all, and our team was able to pick some of the insulation, get some OSB sheathing and insulated the walls properly, put the sheathing up where it belonged, and then cap the windows, and then we could start with the aluminum side or the vinyl siding at the bottom, working our way up. So today has been working on the soffit area underneath the edge of the rake boards here, and they've been getting that pieces together. So we've got some aluminum capping that has to go up in addition to the soffit channel and the soffit underneath. So that's where we're at on this project. Take you up, let you see what's going on. So just to give you a little closer view of what's going on, working on kind of getting this piece up as a unit here, and the aluminum capping has to flip up behind the drip edge. It's on the roof, so it's tacked in there, it comes down in, down and in, and then covers over the bottom half of the soffit that we've nailed up. And then once that is complete, we're gonna come over here, do the same thing on this side, bring the soffit up, all this edge here, all the way up and across.
So I had a bend
then we can put the
even where the bend was,
metal capping
right
up inside that the guys are working on. The customer also asked us to put up a mounting block for them for a spotlight that they want to put out front here. So we've got that in and ready to go for them. And this project's coming together nicely. So there's something that we can assist you with: roofing, siding, windows, doors, decks, anything on the interior, exterior of your home. If you like to build a custom dream house, build an addition, build a garage, we can help you with all those projects as well. Inside, renovate your kitchen, your master bath, finish your basement, plumbing, electrical, drywall. We handle all that as well. Give our team a call. We have a dedicated office staff ready to serve you weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁'𝘀, your full service construction and renovation company, and extension 2 for new projects. And our team will be happy to assist you. If you prefer to message us on Facebook, take a picture of your problem that we can solve for you. Send that to us right here on Facebook Messenger. Go to our business page, facebook.com/𝗗𝘁'𝘀. Do a search for 𝗗𝘁 Construction and Renovation. Send those pictures to us, and our team will begin working with you to figure out what it's going to take to solve your problem, get you some ballparks, and work you through our process for providing a virtual estimate, talking about your target renovation budget, and then perhaps scheduling an on-site proposal meeting if we're moving in that direction. So. We are your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. Remember, when we're done with it, you're going to be proud to say it's not just done. It was 𝗗𝘁'𝘀. We'll catch you on another video. Bye for now.